Hello guys, welcome to Angular series. So please do subscribe to my channel for more videos on Angular. And in the last couple of videos we have covered components and Angular installation and folder structure. So today we will see interpolation concept. So interpolation lets you incorporate dynamic string values into your HTML templates. So it will use interpolation. We use interpolation to dynamically change what appears in an application view, such as displaying a custom greeting that includes the user's name. So basically what what the definition is telling is, so basically if you observe if you create a component, by default it will create a 4 files. So HTML file, we'll see. So HTML file, we have if you remember, we have created a component in the last video. So if we create a component, by default it will create 4 files: CSS file, HTML file, spec file and TS file. So what definition is telling is, so if we want to view anything in the HTML page from the class file, this can be achieved by using interpolation. So exactly this is telling that. So interpolation lets you incorporate dynamic string values into your HTML template. So dynamically it will populate the string values into our HTML template. So we will see it in a demo. So here in the class, so in the TS file we will be having a class, export class, component name, and it will implement the component lifecycle on init method. So I am creating a public name and I am giving it as user. So in the HTML file I am taking a div, and basically interpolation will be symbolized by this. So double curly braces, 2 open and 2 close. So we will just do it in a moment. So multiple curly braces, and in the multiple curly braces we need to pass the same name that we have created in the TS file. So I am passing here name. So whenever if you want to do anything, hello, and I'm saving the file. See, hello user. If you remember, if we sign into any application, on the top right corner somewhere they will display our username. So in such cases this interpolation will dynamically populate the type of the user registered to that application. So this is one of the uses with interpolation. So this interpolation is a one-way binding. Why I am telling this interpolation is one-way binding, because here this binding is happening from class to view, but not in reverse manner. From like if we want in some cases we will also use that, like if you want to send from some data from view to class also it will possible, but not through one-way binding. There is separate concept for that, but not through one-way binding, remember. Okay, so if you want to send data from class to view, then interpolation will be useful in such case. So we will see another example how this interpolation can be used. So I just want to display drop down options with the help of interpolation. So I am taking a mobile, I'm taking list of mobiles. So just want to display the list of mobiles, and select one mobile, and in the options I just, instead of passing options statically, I just want to pass all the options at a stretch. How can we achieve that? Let's see. So here I am taking an array. So sorry, I'm taking an array public mobiles equals to initial an empty array. I'm initializing an empty array and I'm passing few mobile names like Apple, OnePlus, and another one is Realme. So I'm taking 3 mobiles, and now what is my challenge is I want to use through interpolation. I just want to display all the options at a stretch. Okay, so I'll just save it. And how can we achieve that? So in the similar way, if I pass all at a time, let's see what will happen if I pass all at a time. So I'm just passing all the mobiles at a time. We'll see it is taking all arrays in one stretch. So in general, this is not how this is not the way the drop down will display. The drop down should display like Apple, OnePlus and Realme. So for that we need to iterate the mobiles. So for that we have a for loop. So I am taking ng for, and in the ng for I am iterating let item of mobiles, and here I am displaying the item. So what is happening here is from the mobiles it is iterating all the elements from this mobiles, and it is taking from it is iterating each and every element from this mobile. So in this way it will display one by one manner, not at a stretch. So I'm saving it and let's see. This is the typical drop down. So Apple, OnePlus and Realme. So this is another case. This how we can make use of interpolation. And there is another way that we can interpolate methods also. So I'm telling, right, so that registration, like whenever if we sign into any application, they will display our username. So that we will do it now. So I'm taking a method and sorry, not this case. I need to take curly braces. So here I am returning every time if any button or any HTML element that will have this method, it should return like hello, and I'm concatenating hello user. It is not taking in that way. So hello and let's see, like this. We'll just concatenate like this. We'll see whether it will take or not. So I am taking another div here. In this div I am interpolating this method. Now let's see what will happen. So sorry, it is displaying hello and name. Okay, 1 second. So hello and concatenate the name. Okay, hello user. So this is another way we can make use of interpolation through methods. So this is how we can make use of interpolation in many ways. And remember, interpolation is a one-way binding. One-way binding in the sense it will display the data, it will render the data from class to view, but not from view to class. So this is about interpolation. So in the next video we will see what are the bindings. So today just we will see that we have just learned what is binding and what is one-way binding. There are a lot of bindings are there. Those all things we will see in the upcoming videos. So that's it for today, guys. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe for more Angular videos, and thank you for watching.